Welcome to our tutorial on using Google Maps offline for navigation. In this video, we will guide you on how to download offline maps and navigate without an internet connection. To start, open Google Maps app and tap on your profile picture. Next, select Offline Maps and choose Select Your Own Map. Use one finger to move and two fingers to zoom in and out to define the area you want to download. Once you've selected the area, tap Download. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. With your offline map downloaded, you can now navigate using Google Maps even without an internet connection. Remember, this feature is limited to the area you downloaded. You won't receive up-to-date information on traffic or other road issues. While Google Maps Offline is a useful feature, it has limitations. Transit, bicycling, and walking directions are not available offline. Your estimated travel time may not be accurate. However, downloading offline maps can be a lifesaver when you're in an area with limited or no internet service. With just a few simple steps, you can have a map of your desired location stored on your phone, ready to use at any time. While it may not have all the features available when you're connected to the internet, you'll still be able to get a general idea of how long your trip should take and how to get there. So, next time you're planning a trip, don't forget to download your Google Maps offline for a stress-free and seamless navigation experience.